is succession? The process by which a plant or animal community gives way to another until a stable community is reached. Succession is how an ecosystem changes over time. This is different than zonations, which is how an ecosystem changes along an environmental gradient. For example, changes in altitude, tidal level, distance from shore, and latitude. There are two types of succession, primary and secondary. Primary occurs on bare, inorganic surfaces, such as rock. It happens when new land is created or uncovered. For example, a receding glacier which leaves bare rock exposed. There are 5 stages in primary succession. Stage 0, or the newly uncovered bare surface, where soil is nutrient poor and there is little water supply. Stage 1, colonization. Pioneer species such as lichens begin to colonize the area. These species are adapted to harsh conditions, or typically are selected, which means small, short life cycles, fast growth, and lots of offspring or seeds. Dust and mineral particles begin to form a simple soil. This process can take hundreds of years. Stage 2, establishment. The diversity of species increases and invertebrates begin living in the soil, which now is able to hold water and is becoming rich with nutrients. Stage 3, competition. Pioneer R species are unable to compete as larger plants start taking over, offering shelter and allowing K-selected species, meaning they live longer, are bigger, have delayed reproduction, and are slower growing, to establish themselves. Sun, wind, and temperature are less extreme. Stage 4, stabilization. Complex food webs develop and fewer new species arrive. K-selected species develop unique niches. Populations will rise and fall rapidly until stabilization. Final stage, climax community. Stable ecosystem that is self-perpetuating. It is the maximum development that can be reached in the environmental limits in the area. Limits include temperature, light, and precipitation. In secondary succession, an already existing community is destroyed, but soils are unharmed and ready to grow seeds. Some examples would be a forest after a fire, a field after plowing, or a clear-cut forest.